storm and flood devastate Makkah Al-Mukarramah, Saudi Arabia. Makkah Al-Mukarramah has experienced a significant flood, leading authorities to declare a red alert. A video showing the intense rain that fell on Monday night in Macca has been making the rounds on social media among activists. There were major traffic problems on the streets as a result of the downpour. According to the National Meteorological Center, weather radar photos continue to show hail and heavy rain, with the Macca region perhaps seeing dense rainfall at higher elevations. Between the holy capital and the TAFE governorate, things are really bad. In the upcoming hours, experts anticipate that this situation will continue in and around the holy capital. The video clip shows rain pouring down the streets, accompanied by wind, thunder, and lightning. Regarding rain, the Makkah Al-Mukarramah area has received a red alert from the National Meteorological Center. Newspapers and other media outlets in Saudi Arabia have reported on the heavy rainfall, especially in the northeastern Makkah Al-Mukarramah districts and surroundings. Videos posted on social media by Saudi nationals depict lightning, thunderclouds, and high winds filling the Makkah Al-Mukarramah sky, indicating that the rains are still coming down. Parts of Tabok, Medina, Rayav Timur, and Qasim could see rain clouds form, according to the National Meteorological Center's forecast. Above the Red Sea, surface winds are blowing at 15 to 40 kilometers per hour, with gusts to above 45 kilometers per hour along the coast, as they move from southwest to northwest. Along with light to moderate sea conditions and wave heights of 1 to 2 meters, which can reach above 2.5 meters when thunderclouds are present, rain clouds are starting to form. Surface winds over the Gulf are moving at 15 to 32 kilometers per hour from southeast to southwest and then northwest to northeast. There are light sea conditions and wave heights ranging from half a meter to 1 meter. Photographs and videos of the strange weather event, which includes lightning bolts hitting well-known sites, have been shared on social media by people. A video footage captured the storm's effects on the Grand Mosque in Macca, as wind gusts toppled fences and cleaners in the courtyard. Cumulus thunderclouds are likely to blanket areas such as Azer Jessen Al-Baha and Macca, according to the National Meteorological Center in Saudi Arabia. The clouds are forecast to move westward, bringing with them strong winds, hail, and moderate to heavy rain. There have been reports of heavy rain in several Macca locations by the local media. Given the rising temperatures in the area, authorities saw these rains as a favor and a mercy for the pious. Over the past week, the kingdom's southwest and western regions have experienced unprecedented weather activity, according to the Arab weather website, resulting in varied intensities of rain. This weather pattern caused thunderstorms and heavy rainfall to directly affect Macca, including the holy sites. Unfavorable weather has been plaguing the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia on a regular basis. One such intense dust storm left Macca completely coated in sand. Recently, a worrisome video showing intense rain and storms in the Makkah Al-Mukarramah region has surfaced, sending residents and pilgrims into a state of widespread worry. Videos show billboards and flying things being carried by the high winds, while downtown neighborhoods are submerged by a mountain of rain. In addition, Jeddah saw a dust storm that obscured the sun's brightness and decreased visibility on public routes. A moderate to strong thunderstorm with significant rain, hail, and strong winds that create dust and impair vision in some parts of the kingdom is predicted by the National Meteorological Center.